So hi friend, this is Amit. As you all are doing JOSA Counseling 2024, so here I am going to provide you complete document required for NIT, IIT, Triple IT, GFT admission until you join the college. It is सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं. Join the college. It is all document required for this admission journey. For you, I am going to provide you in this video, so please try to watch the video up to the last so that you will have the clear idea. If you have any doubt on this document, then you can ask in the comment section. If you want my guidance properly until your final admission is done, you can contact me so that I can provide you one-to-one guidance, personalized choice filling, decision making one-to-one until you get into the college. Not only JOSA, about all counseling whatever you do across India, including CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh and private college counseling as well. Now if you talk about the important document that you need to have for JOSA and CSAB, both will be covered in this video itself. Class 12 mark sheet, that is important. Class 10 mark sheet, category certificate, SC, ST, OBC is included in this, and EWS in this case of general and that is general EWS and OBC certificate should be made on or after 1st of April 2024. Now if you talk about for verification, that is document verification at NIT, IIT, Triple IT, GFTI. So first I will discuss for NIT. Before that, let me inform you what are the document that you need to provide at the time of getting the seat. That is, once you get the allotment, you have to do the you have to provide the document for online reporting. That is called online reporting on JOSA website. You have to upload. So this type of information you have to provide: original PWD certificate if you are from PWD, and medical certificate in the form of JOSA format they provide on the website. And JMS admit card will not be required now. At the time of admission it will be required. This cross bank check or image of passbook with bank account detail, first page you can say, that is required. If you will take refund later, they will provide the refund on the same account. So now if you talk about the what will be the document required when I will go for the admission in the college. For an IT, Triple IT, GFT, it is called an IT plus system. Here is 3 passport size photo, same photograph as uploaded in JEE Mains application. Provisional seat allotment letter, you will get the allotment letter on JOSA website after getting the seat. And your undertaking, that will be provided by college itself, that is on the college website. You need to print them and just provide the undertaking. And fee payment, proof of seat acceptance fee, that is receipt, JEE Mains result and a scorecard, that is nothing but NTA scorecard. JEE Mains admit card of yours, 10th mark sheet or date of birth proof, anything you can provide. 12th equivalent mark sheet and pass certificate, photo identity, medical certificate, your category certificate if you belong from EWS, OBC, SC, ST, PWD certificate if you are from PWD, and rest you don't require. Print out of the choices filled in seat allotment. So whatever you are providing the choices, try to take the print out of that. Now if you talk about for IIT, same, all are same, just in case of JEE Mains admit card, here you have to provide JEE Advanced. In place of JEE Mains rank card, you have to provide JEE Advanced rank card, and all are same. So hope you get my point clearly. So please try to subscribe the channel so you will be getting all the update and information at the right time. And whenever you want the guidance, you can contact me. That is for complete one-to-one guidance until your final admission is done. Thank you. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is JOSA, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bit.